Okay, so check this out. We've all been there, right? Staring at our screens, wrestling with code. Even though it looks perfect to anyone else, we know better. Something's off, lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce, and then it does. An error message pops up, halting our program dead in its tracks. And it's not one of those nice little errors that Google can bail us out of either. No, this one's a head scratcher. We dig through documentation, search online, pull our hair out, and still nothing. It's like deciphering a cryptic message from a secret society. And the worst part, we're pretty sure we're standing on the edge of a breakthrough. Our almost perfect code is this close to working. All we need is to tame this bug and unlock its secrets. We pore over each character, each comma, searching for that rogue element disrupting the harmony of our code. Then it hits us. A realization so simple we kick ourselves for not seeing it sooner. One tiny character, a misplaced modifier, was causing the whole program to crash. And here we were losing sleep over a single character. We can't help but smile because we've just played a game we know all too well, a game where the challenge is figuring out where to look. This isn't just about fixing bugs or writing code. It's about navigating the twists and turns of a programmer's mind, where logic meets imagination and every problem is a puzzle waiting to be solved. As developers, we all have a secret weapon that sets us apart, our unique approach to solving problems. Each of us sees the world differently and approaches challenges with a different set of tools and techniques. Some prefer the brute force method, tackling the problem head-on with sheer determination. Others take a more analytical approach, breaking down the problem into smaller parts until they can see a path forward. But whatever our approach, we all have one thing in common: an unwavering commitment to finding the solution. The fact is, being a great developer isn't just about knowing a lot of code. It's about knowing how to find the best solutions to tough problems. It's about understanding the underlying principles that drive our craft. And let's face it, nobody got good at programming by accident. It takes practice, dedication, and a whole lot of persistence. But it's also incredibly rewarding. When you finally understand that elusive concept or solve that tricky bug, it's a feeling like nothing else. Because at the end of the day, programming isn't just a job. It's a passion. Sure, sometimes it can feel like a drag. When you're stuck on a problem for hours or debugging code feels like pulling teeth, but those moments of triumph make it all worthwhile. Those moments when you realize you're part of something bigger than yourself, something that drives the technological advancements that shape our world. And that's the beauty of our profession. We get to play a part in shaping the future, and that's a pretty special feeling. So if you're feeling stuck or frustrated, take a step back and remember why you got into this game in the first place. Embrace the challenge, hone your skills, and keep moving forward. Who knows, the next time you look at a bug, you might just see an opportunity to learn something new. Welcome back, folks. If you're enjoying the content, hit that like button and let's dive into some fun facts about developers. In fact, no. 1. Developers love code so much they even named their kids after it. Check out these baby names: Ada Lovelace, Grace Hopper, and Alan Turing. Now that's some serious dedication. Fact number 2. Most developers couldn't function without coffee. We're talking triple espresso here. And don't even try to tell us that tea is a suitable replacement. Fact 3. Developers are surprisingly good at spotting patterns. After years of staring at code, we've trained our brains to pick up on subtle variations and spot trends that others miss. Fact 4. Developers are passionate about their work. Once a developer finds a problem, they're determined to solve it. And we're not giving up until we get to the bottom of it. Fact 5. Developers are always learning new things. With so many changes happening in the tech world, we gotta stay sharp and keep learning. And don't forget to share your own fun facts about developers in the comments below. Now let's dive into something really interesting. Have you ever wondered why some people are so good at solving problems, while others struggle to come up with any solutions? Well, it all has to do with how they think. Problem solvers think outside the box, but that's not all. They also think differently when it comes to numbers. See, most people think of numbers as static and unchanging, but problem solvers see them as dynamic and interconnected. For example, imagine you're planning a trip and need to calculate the distance between two cities. The average person might just plug the information into a mapping service and accept the result without giving it much thought. But a problem solver will question the very nature of distance. They'll ask questions like, what is distance anyway? How do maps calculate it? And is there a more efficient way to measure it? By breaking down the problem into its core components, they can identify areas for improvement and develop innovative solutions. And the best part, anyone can train themselves to become a more creative problem solver. It just takes a willingness to push beyond your comfort zone and embrace new ways of thinking. Want to give it a try? Here are 3 tips to help you get started. Step 1. Challenge assumptions. Don't just accept things at face value. Question everything and explore alternative perspectives. Step 2. Embrace ambiguity. Not every problem has a clear-cut solution. Sometimes you have to be comfortable with uncertainty and explore multiple possibilities. Step 3. Experiment and learn from failure. Trying something new can be scary, but it's essential for growth. Be willing to take risks and learn from your mistakes along the way. Remember, Creativity is a skill that can be developed with practice and persistence, so don't be afraid to think outside the box and challenge conventional wisdom. The world needs more creative problem solvers, and you have the potential to be one of them. Before we wrap things up today, I want to shout out some awesome channels that I know you'll love. First up, there's Traversy Media. This channel is a hub for all things web development with full-stack tutorials and courses to help you master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. Next up, we have Free Code Camp. They've got thousands of videos covering a range of topics from programming fundamentals to advanced computer science concepts. There's also the Net Ninja. This channel is dedicated to making tech easy to learn with over 1,000 courses on everything from Python and PHP to cybersecurity and data science. Lastly, you should definitely check out Web Dev Simplified. They cover all the latest trends and technologies in web development and break them down in a way that's easy to understand. So go ahead, click on those links, subscribe to these amazing channels, and keep learning. And hey, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to show your support. Until next time, happy coding.